Hello little engineers. Do you know we can take electricity from water using a special secret ingredient? Let's go to the video.
Welcome to Dhakshan's Innovation Lab. Hello little engineers. Today we are going to do salt water battery. For that we need safety glasses. We can put it on for safety. And water, bowl, salt, nails, copper metals, crocodile clip, and LED light and multimeter for checking the hole. To make salt water, first we need water. 3 spoons of salt. Some salt fell down, so let me take it and mix it. Okay, take a bowl. We made this salt water. Okay, now we have to pour it. But how it will work? I'm so excited for it. Okay, let's pour it. We pour it. Okay, we have to take the 2 alligator clips. Okay, and take an alligator clip and press it. Wait, and put it in. Okay, we did it. And take another alligator clip and press down and put it on the nail. Okay, we need 2 different metals. One is copper, one is nail. Okay, now let's put down over here. They both should not touch. Don't touch. Okay, they are not touching. Why it's not working? Wait a minute. Let me check with the multimeter. Now we are going to see whether current is coming or not. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's in 0.30. We need 3 earth. It's not enough. Like the battery, inside it, lot of small things. Like that, we need more cells. We need 2 metals in 1 bowl, just like this. One copper over here, and 1 nail. Then I have to put copper over here, and like that we have to do. Finally, we have to put it over here and put it over here. We have to check it's touching or not first. Otherwise, it will go in minus. Okay, this goes up. Don't touch, Aisa! Please. Let's check the hole now. It's coming now. Let's check it's working or not. It's working. Can you see it, guys?
Hope you all enjoyed this video. Like, share and subscribe to Dhakshan's Innovation Lab for more fun experiments. See you in the next video. Bye.